Alright guys, so this is a few days, maybe almost a week after, but this video is going to be, I don't know if you remember her, the girl that I did a how to drive stick shift video. I will put the link, top one of these corners, something. I'll put a link, and if not, down below. I taught her how to drive stick shift. She's my best friend from Miami. She came up, and she came up for the drift event that happened last weekend. This was right before the drift event, so took her for a spin in the car, and she loved it. So you guys go ahead, watch the video, and then I'll see you guys again after.
I should have gotten your reaction getting in the car, because that was funny.
Oh, is it on?
It's on now.
It looks like it's... Why did it have to be right if we could have put like like if you put it right here? That's still too much, but whatever. It's
Okay,
fine.
here. How about over here?
Alright, cool. Ooh, I like that. Let me work with that. It's fine. I can do this. Don't f with me.
I'm not gonna f with you. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, these seatbelts work. Okay. No airbags, right? No airbags. You're good. You're good. What are you expecting? Don't hit down this car. Oh, good. Okay. I'm just nervous about what you're up to.
I'm not up to anything.
Yeah, you are. You have the camera on my face. You're gonna
That's
roll
this.
us somewhere.
I like this. Your reaction is amazing. That's a little taste.
That was awesome. That was awesome. Are you gonna do it again?
Okay, I have to go back.
Okay.
These people.
Had fun? Oh. I really did. I think all the anticipation was like had me up here the whole time. So I was like, when's he gonna drop? When's he gonna drop? He's gonna do something.
And then when I did it, it wasn't that bad. It's very
it was
smooth.
fun.
Everyone thinks that drifting is very rough. It's like, oh my god.
Like your whole car is like gonna flip. Yeah.
And there, like that's as rough as it gets. When you're on track and you're going fast, once you get sideways, you're dancing. It's fun. It's like so graceful.
Yeah. It feels like that. It was just so smooth.
Yeah, if you put in earplugs or like you don't hear the motor, you don't hear anything, you could play elevator music and just be like,
or like
it's
Mozart.
It's
like
just so much fun,
like
so relaxing.
Piano music.
Yeah.
Ding, ding. Can you
Exactly.
imagine? That's kind of like crazy.
One day, as soon as I get the cage, but I'll take you. It's fun. I like it.
I love it.
It's addicting.
That was fun. That was good shit. That was scary.
Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. I enjoyed filming it. It was fun. I love getting people's reaction of the car. I'm so sorry that the exhaust is so loud, but the exhaust is, I'm going to fix it soon. I promise. It's just, I've been wanting to do other things to the car, and that's come in first before, you know, things like the exhaust, which doesn't really matter too much for me, but makes better YouTube content, so I have to get it done. Let me know if you guys like videos like this down below, and if you do, I'll start making more of them. I have a few friends that want to go for spins in the car, and I'll take them, and it'll be a blast. And it's a quick, easy video that I can make that you guys can enjoy, and yeah, let me know what you guys think. I will see you guys next week. Keep it sideways.